Hey there everyone, I'm Talha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access your Google Drive files offline. You may face a situation where you need to open an important file but you don't have internet access. Fortunately, Google Drive offers the option to make some files available offline. So let's take a look at how you can do that. First, we're going to head to docs.google.com or sheets.google.com or wherever your file is hosted. Next, we're going to click on this menu right here and then go to Settings. In Settings, you can see the offline option. We're going to click on this toggle and then click OK. Once we do that, the files on this Docs account will now be available offline. This will only be done for the system where offline was turned on. If you are logged into multiple systems, you'll have to do the same process for each system individually. Next, another way is by going directly to the file. In this case, let's open this letter right here. And once it's opened, we're going to head to the file menu right here. And then from here, we'll have the option to make this available offline. Let's wait for it to load and then click on Make Available Offline. Once that's done, this file is now available offline and you can access it without internet. And that's it. That's how you can do all of this very easily. I hope this video was useful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe.